The 1979 Ford Bronco 4X4 presented here stands as a towering symbol of American automotive identity, a machine built not for quiet streets or gentle highways, but for the wild, for the mountains, forests, riverbeds, and open plains. Its bloodline ties back to a time when steel was thick. Engines roared without hesitation, and vehicles were designed not for convenience, but for purpose. And today, after a complete frame-off restoration, this Bronco has been reborn for a new era, stronger, sharper, more refined, and more beautiful than ever before. Its exterior immediately commands attention. The deep gloss black paint reflects light with mesmerizing clarity, smooth as glass and seemingly endless in depth. This finish isn't merely a color. It is a mirror, a statement, a declaration. Layered atop the black surface are freewheeling graphics, a visual tribute to the Bronco's history, bursting with vivid retro tones that evoke the spirit of late 70s adventure culture. Ranger XLT trim highlights the body lines, wrapping the edges in subtle metallic detail. Standing beside the Bronco, you feel its presence, not intimidating, but powerful, confident, unshakably sure of itself. One of the most striking features is the removable black hardtop. This design captures the heart of what the Bronco has always represented: freedom. Take the top off and the world becomes bigger, sky above. Wind through the cabin, an unfiltered connection to the environment around you. Keep it on, and the Bronco becomes a sealed fortress against the elements, strong enough to face storms, terrain shifts, and long-distance travel. Lift the hood, and the soul of the machine is revealed. The 4.6 OCI V8 engine is more than just a power source. It is a heartbeat, built for performance. Fed through an aluminum intake and Holley 4-barrel carburetor, this engine awakens with a low, resonant rumble that pulses through the frame. Unlike smaller displacement engines found in modern SUVs, this V8 has character and physical presence. You feel it through your palms, through the chassis, through the vibrations in the driver's seat. Power flows into a bulletproof C6 3-speed automatic transmission, a drivetrain, pairing known across generations for its durability. The connection to the road is completed by factory-style axles geared at 3.55 to 1, whether cruising on pavement or crawling across rock. The Bronco delivers steady, predictable strength. Underneath, Skyjacker shocks and a steering stabilizer transform the ride. Old school 4x4 South were known for stiff handling and heavy feedback. But this Bronco floats beautifully across uneven ground. Aluminum wheels and Nitto Grappler tires offer grip in mud, sand, rain, or gravel. Magnaflow mufflers amplified the exhaust tone into something deep and proud, a voice. Unmistakably Ford, unmistakably V8.